Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Super Robot Mach Baron Mach Trigger. And after giving it a little bit of thought, I decided to go ahead and do a couple of modifications to the body. So first, here on the hood, I filled in the hole where that little spring-loaded figure was supposed to go. I put a little bit of styrene here on the underside to give it some strength, and then just sanded it, filled that in. I also drilled out the headlights so I can put some more realistic pieces in there. Gave it some panel lining all the way around, doors, hatch, trunk, cowl vents, and then I added some cleats to the inside of the body because originally this was just supposed to be a butt joint with the chassis, and not only was that a pretty weak joint, but it also required a lot more precision casting than what they had going on here. But now I can kind of snap the pieces together, and it actually will hold itself together. That works a lot better now. Also, in the last video, I commented on how much I disliked that flat interior, so I am going to replace it with this. This is the most recent release of Hasegawa's Z-Car, and it's got a pretty nice parts breakdown. Plus, I took a look at the body and did a quick comparison. It was a nice confirmation that this is indeed supposed to be 24th scale, and so I'm going to be using the interior, headlights, taillights, maybe a couple other little pieces. So that was a very welcome surprise, and now, time to get this into some paint. Alright, got a base of pure white here, with a stripe done in pure red. You can see those are the Hasegawa headlights in there. Got the grille painted. Did the fender flares using some black vinyl. I think that worked out okay, not perfect. And started doing some bare metal trim. Also started in on the interior. Near as I can tell, the prop cars were just black and or gray interiors, so that's what I'm going with here. I did need to trim the strut towers here so that they could fit to the inside of the hood. You can see that's got a pretty deep recess there. And then I did trim the front corners of the doors, but other than that, it actually fits in there pretty well. The width looks good, the length of the interior looks good, and when I bring in the chassis pan, snap it all the way around, and everything fits pretty good. I do still need to give it a final cleanup and polishing before I can put the decals and the rest of the bare metal trim on, but overall, this is coming along pretty good. I do have the tail panel as well. This is out of the Mach Trigger kit, but these are the tail lights from the Hasegawa kit. And again, just kind of snaps in, at least enough to hold itself now. And that's how that looks. So yeah, overall, coming along pretty good. It's a pretty basic kit, but with just these couple of little upgrades, I think it looks pretty decent. And it goes together really quick and pretty easily. So next, I'm going to give the body its final cleaning and polishing before I put the decals and the rest of the trim on. Got the flight unit for the roof and the hatch to go on it. Wheels and a couple little bits and pieces for the interior and chassis, and it'll be good to go. So I will be wrapping this up for next week. You can check back then, and thanks for watching.